Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. Today, simple celebration lang for my mama. Kaya ito, first stop, nasa Muay Thai kami. Bakit kami nandito? Kasi na-miss namin ang massage ng Thailand. Kaka-uwi lang namin from Thailand. At nasakit ang aming mga katawan, kaya naghanap kami ng massage. So, deserve ni mama to, kaya kami nandito for her hard work. And kailangan natin mag-relax. So, ayan. Malinis sa areang to. Talagang may paglinis ng paa bago mag-massage. And then, sa papag ang kanilang pag-massage area para talagang balat na balat ang buto. And then, after we enjoy the 1.5 hours, meron kaming tsaa at hot towel para mapunasan ng aming katawan. At ayan po yung compress na ginamit nila. Next is skin sense. Siyempre, after massage, kailangan natin mag-mani-pedi naman. Itodo na natin ang ating self-care day para sa ating birthday celebrant. So, ayan ang aking maganda. Kaya nga, hello, gorgeous mama. Ito ang kanilang place. Very cozy. At ang ganda. At take note ha, gabi na ito pero they still accommodate us. Thank you po sa staff na talagang in-accommodate kaming tatlo. And by the way guys, the price is affordable. 180 ang pedicure, 150 ang kanilang manicure. So cleaning lang yon. Kaya ito, nasulit namin ang aming pamper day. At thank you sa staff at magagaan naman ang kanilang kamay. Of course, next stop is the Monmaru. Kailangan natin kumain dahil tayo ay napagod, no? So, at ito ay part ng celebration. So, naghintay lang kami ng konti. Worth naman mag-antay dahil talagang pinupuntahan at dinadayo talaga tong lugar na to. So, it's siyang Japanese restaurant at kitang-kita nyo naman talagang punuan talaga, no? So, ayan, nakapasok na rin kami. At we try na magpa-reserve sa private, pero talagang punuan at fully booked sila. So, ito ang kanilang menu. Madaming masasarap na food. And we ordered a lot. At hindi naman kami na-dismaya. So, again, sobrang sarap ito, guys. Promise. So, a must try. Kaya kailangan nyo siyang i-try din. Again, lahat ito ay nasa BF Paranaque. Magkakatawi lang yan. No? So, ayun lang. Ayan yung mga food na in-order namin. Lahat yun a must try. The price is just right. So, simple lang ang aming celebration pero super meaningful.
Okay,
We would
guys.
like to thank our dear Lord for another year for our mama. So, ayan, Louie, Sandal, happy birthday,
Happy
Mama.
birthday.
I hope you enjoy this simple celebration. Bukod pa syempre yung Thailand at Ilocos, no? So, panoorin yung vlog na yun.
Make a wish.
A must watch. So, we love you so much, Mama. I hope you enjoyed your simple celebration with your family on this 68th birthday, and we wish na mas mahaba pang years, no, para makapag-celebrate at makapag-travel tayo as a family. Yun lang, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on my next vlog.